role. Then we'll move for the unit testing. Okay, now we'll open SAP logo. Okay, now we'll go with path SPRO SAP reference IMG.
share చేశారు సార్.
Okay, I'll do it. SPRO SAP reference IMG. Just give me a moment, guys. Cross application components, SAP business partners, business partner, basic settings, business partner roles, define business partner role. Guys, I think in the last session we are done with domestic. Okay, we actually in the last session we done some configuration regarding customer. Okay, I'll check it. I think SEA, yeah, DC for domestic customer. Okay, I think we are not saved it. Okay, now I'll go with the position option. FLCU. Guys, here FL was common for both vendor and customer. If you analyze one thing, for business partner role, CU means customer, and there for vendor we used VN. 00 it is for financial accounting. When it comes to 01, it in customer perception it was related to SD department, and when it comes to vendor it was related to MM department. Okay, now I'll select FLCU 00. Continue. I'll select this. I'll go with the copy option. Here I'll mention I think we have done some things. I'll check this, guys. For three types of vendor, domestic, domestic, international, one type, who has to create under financial accounting, then who has to create under uh, SD point of view. Okay, one SAC it was related to minus finance, it was related to finance. Okay, now in the last session we have done those configurations, guys. Okay, the sales data, the sales related business partner role we are not defined. Okay, that is the reason. I think we defined, but we have not saved it. Okay, I'll go with the copy option. Well, CU01. Okay. One SAC as means sales related data. I'm mentioning here 05, and again I'm copying this. Here I'm mentioning 2 SACS. Okay. Now I'll say this.
So do you not need to create a transport request when you're creating those?
Actually, already in the last session we are saved now related to finance related data we are saved now. At the moment we created the transport request. Okay, when we're saving again and again on this, it was showing us automatic. I mean, it was saving automatically to particular transport request. Okay. Okay, guys. Now we'll go to the transaction code /BP to create one customer. I'll select organization. Here, grouping. It is one SCSC, domestic partner. Sorry, domestic customer business partner. Okay, and I'll select title as company, and name of the company was Rex, or okay, I'll select two Z's. Street dash one dash post number, postal code, city I'm selecting Mangalore, country IM, region I'm selecting Karnataka. Okay, now on top you can find one option, check. I'll click on check. If we found any error, then we can't save this business partner. I told you guys, after creating business partner in general, then only you can move to the extension of it. Data of business partner is error free. Okay, now I'll save this. Business partner 35002 created. Okay, you can see here switch between display and change means we are switching this business, this general partner, this business partner to customer. Just give me a moment, guys. Okay, I forgot the number. Okay, no problem, guys. I'll create one more time. Three five double zero three. It was created. Okay. Now we click. Okay. Now has to select this. Earlier we had created business partner. Okay. In financial point of view, in from sales point of view now. So I am selecting right now in financial point of view. Think on. Okay. We'll check this. Okay, guys. It was one SAC for domestic customer. Okay. Now we'll click on company code. Here we has to give our company code. It was 12SCA. Yeah, it was 12SCA. Now we'll click enter. We have to select the reconciliation account, domestic customer reconciliation account. Okay, and sort key customer number 031. It was okay. Those things are not required. Payment terms. We'll select 000 on immediate due date. Dunning procedure. We have not created any dunning notice, so it's, right now it was not required. Okay, we have not created any. Okay, if we want to block the posting related to customer, okay, we can block here. Okay, right now it was not required. Okay, now I click on check standard address with the error. First edit the standard address with the error. Okay, I'll check the error what it was. Okay, language English. Now one more time I'll check it. The data of business partner is error free. Okay, now we can save it. Changes have been made. Okay, the business partner number was 35003, 35003, 35,003. Okay, now we'll go for the unit testing. Okay, now we'll raise invoice through F-22 or FB70. Now we'll go with the transaction code F-22.
So can you tell a little bit about unit testing? Why do we do unit testing?
Actually, you guys have done the configurations. Okay, whether it was working or not, you have to check it now in QAT server. Quality and assurance test server. Otherwise, we can call it as testing server. Who has to do the testing now? If it was working properly or not, if it was error free or not, who has to check it? Okay, that is the main reason. Okay, now we'll go and we'll raise one customer invoice. Guys, here I just forgot to tell you one thing, guys. Just give me a moment. Here, guys, we have mainly three types of documents related to this customer. One is DZ document and DA document and DR document. On the base of these documents, okay, we'll do what the type of the transaction it was, what the type of business transaction it was, and we can post accounting entries based on the document type. Like if we have done any mistakes in SAP, we can't delete it. Okay, in order to correct it, we have only one option, that is reversal. Okay, and based with the help of this document type, we'll create number range. Okay, we'll see it. First, we'll see about the DZ document. Guys, DZ means customer payment. Okay, I'll double click on it. It was number range 14. Okay, if we have done any mistake, okay, we can correct this entry by using AB document. Okay, now I'll click on number range information. Okay, I'll go with the insert one. 2, 3. 1 to 100, not 1 to 200. Okay, 14. Year 2022. Not 1 to 300. Okay, now we are done with the first document. Second one is DA document. First one is DZ document. Now we're gonna see DA document. It was customer document. Okay, same guys. We'll go to number range information. We'll give our company code. Want to say it was okay. Has to click on 16. Insert line 16 number for it 2022 from number 301 to 400. Okay, now one more document it was left. It was DR. We are done with DZ, DA. Now we'll see about DR. DR means customer invoice. Okay, its number was 18. We are done with 14 number, 16 number. We'll check the 18 number. If it was not that, then we'll make. You can see here 18 already it was there. So we are not giving anything right now, recording 18 for customer invoice. Okay, now we can post one entry. Goods sold to customer. Guys, here actually the thing is we are not created any raw material account or sales account. So now we'll create one GL account. We'll go with the transaction code /NFS00. Okay, just give me a moment, guys. Okay, we had one. Okay, we have to create one sales account. Okay, we have now created one sales account. Now we can post it. 01 it was related to posting key 01 it was related to customer account. Actually we are now created one customer now. Abiram Limited he was our customer. Okay, now I'll select amount. I'm giving 1000. Text being goods sold to customer. Okay, so guys, when it comes to sales on credit basis, what is the entry? Anyone please tell me. Anyone please tell me what is the entry?
Goods account debit to goods sold account debit.
Please. Okay, anyone please tell me.
Consider to bank. Hello, sir. Sorry.
I can hear you, sir. Then what is the entry when we purchase goods on credit basis?
Sales account data to bank account.
What, sir?
Sales account data to bank account.
Sales, what you are saying? Sales account data to
Bank account.
sir. Sir, please listen carefully. When we purchase a raw material on credit basis, what is that entry?
The sales
Purchases
account
account
data
data to vendor account. When it comes to customer, it will be reversible now. Now the entry will be what? Sales account data to customer account. Earlier it was purchases account. Sorry. Yeah. Earlier it was purchases account data to vendor account. Now it was customer account data to sales account. Okay. Now we'll post this. Okay. One document was posted in company code. Okay. Now we raised invoice. Okay. We'll clear this by using transaction code F-28. Okay. Now we'll go with the transaction code F-28. Line item display. Customer, customer line item display. It was FBL5 and I'm selecting all items. We have to click on execute option. Okay, you can see here 1000 right now. Okay, we posted one entry now. It was due. It was open, outstanding. Okay, guys. Here the due date became immediate. The reason is we have selected for this customer 0001 immediate payment. Okay, that is the reason it was showing us due. Now we clear this invoice. To clear the invoice, we use the T code F-28. Okay, guys. Account, we have to select the bank account. Amount, yeah, 1000 rupees. Select a value date. Account, who has to select the customer account. We had only one customer. Now we'll click on process open item. Here you guys can see in my pocket I actually has to pay, actually has to get 1000 rupees, but our customer, he is a good fellow, he paid us 1000 rupees. Okay, so here not assigned value was 0, so now I can post it directly. You can see here document 101 was posted in company code. Now one more time we'll check it. Earlier it was due. Okay, now earlier the document number, it was 18 lakh something, 1 crore 80 lakh. Now the document number 201. The reason is for DAO document we had given some other number, for DZ document we had given some other number. Okay, based on that particular number range which we are given in OBA7, sorry, FBN1. Yeah, through OBA7 we are given now. So that particular number it has taken. It will take automatically. The system will take automatically. Okay. We'll check the vendor account balance. So, sorry, customer account balance. The T code we use FD10 and okay, I'll select our customer. Guys, here you can see one number 1615. and one more number 35003. Guys, when we created number range, okay, when we assign this, there we are choosing flex. Okay, as per number range of particular customer, we actually this number range we are taken in basic configuration. This number range we are taking in business partner. So as per business partner, our number was 35003. As per basic configuration, it was 1615. Now I'll click on execute. Okay, this is the customer and this is the balance. Okay, now we'll create one GL account. We'll create one GL account that is related to down payment or advance. Guys, earlier we created one down payment account related to vendor. Suppose think that guys, if we receive in advance from customer, will it become liability or asset? Actually, he was giving to us, so it was liability to us who has to send goods to him. So now we'll create one down payment ZL account and a transaction code FS00. Okay. Advance from customer. We'll go to control data. Here we'll select reconciliation account. Okay. Short key. Zero 031 customer number 067. Now we'll save this. Okay, we created one GL account. Next we'll assign this down payment to alternate GL account in transaction code OBYR. We'll go to the transaction code OBYR. Here we'll select down payment current assets. Okay, it was our chart of account. Okay, sorry guys. Actually, OBYR related to vendor now.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
O has to go to the transaction code OBXR. Okay. Here we have to select reconciliation account related to customer. Yeah, now we have to select special GL down payment from customer. Okay, advance from customer account. Okay, click enter. Now we'll save this. Changes have been made. Okay. The next step was who has to go for unit testing. We'll raise invoice advance posting to the transaction code F-29. Okay, now we'll select document date. Guys, actually my intention is I want to sell 1000 worth of goods to my customer, and he was willing to pay me 100 rupees for in advance. Okay, guys, DZ means customer payment document. Okay, who has to select the customer? Special GL who has to select A. Okay, A was related to down payment. Bank account 100101. Amount I'm entering here just 100 rupees. Okay, we have to select a value date. Here, advance from customer. Amount I'm entering 100 rupees, or otherwise we can enter store text plus. Now we'll go to document and stimulate this. Okay, this is the entry. The entry was bank account data to Abhiram account. Now we'll post this. Document 202 was posted in company code. Now we'll raise one invoice. Okay, the T code was FB70 or F-22 or F-02. You can use it. So now we'll go with the tree code FB70. Okay, now first of all we has to check our company code, then only we has to move forward. Okay, other Bangalore it was now. Again, invoice date we has to select, amount 1000 rupees, being goods sold to customer. Okay, we'll select now sales account. It was throwing that message down payment already 100 it was existed. Okay, continue. Actually I'll select here amount only 900 guys. Okay, okay, debit and credit it was equal. Okay, I'll correct this guys. I'll take 1,000 only. Now the balance will be 1,100. Okay, sorry. 1,000 worth of invoice I'm raising. Okay, and I received 100 advance. I'm sorry. Now I'll go to document, then I will stimulate this. This is the entry. Abram account data to sales account. Okay, this is the document. Now we clear the advance clearing. Okay, or the advance we received 100 rupees we will clear here now. In the transaction code F-39. We'll select document date, reference, okay, I'll select customer. Okay, process down payment. You can see the here down payment 100 rupees it was. Okay, now I'll go to document, stimulate. Okay, this is the entry. Okay, we received from Abhiram, so it was throwing us Abhiram account data to Abhiram account only. 301 document. Now we clear the full invoice. Okay, we cleared. Actually, we raised invoice for 1,000 rupees here. We raised invoice for 1,000 rupees, and we received advance from customer 100 rupees. Here in this case, we cleared 100 rupees, which we received earlier. The balance was 1,000 minus 100. That it was 900. Okay, now we'll clear it. Now we'll go to the transaction code F-28 to clear the customer invoice. Okay. Okay, account who has to select the bank account. Amount we are entering 900 only. Okay, now who has to select a value date. Okay, who has to select the customer account. Now who has to click enter. Okay, you guys can see here two documents. One was related to advance and the other one it was related to main invoice. So now who has to pay. Okay, amount only 900, and right now we are entered just 900 only, so it was clear, and not assigned value was also 0. So now we can make posting. Okay, you can see here document